Can I rely on the Find My app to find my AirPods if they are offline?
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today we're addressing a common question among Apple users. Can I rely on the Find My app to find my AirPods if they are offline? By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how the Find My app works, particularly when it comes to tracking offline devices like your AirPods.
What is the Find My app?
The Find My app is a fantastic tool provided by Apple that helps you locate your Apple devices in case they get lost. It can also help you locate your friends and family, making it an all-around useful app for Apple users.
How does the Find My app work?
The Find My app relies on an internet connection to track the location of devices. When your AirPods are connected to the internet via your iPhone, the app can easily find them. However, AirPods don't have their own internet connection. So, how can they be found when offline? The secret lies in the Bluetooth technology. When your AirPods are disconnected from your iPhone but their Bluetooth is still active, they send out a Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby Apple devices. This is part of the Find My network, a crowdsourced network that securely and anonymously finds lost devices using other Apple devices around them.
Can I find my AirPods when they're offline?
This brings us to our main question. The answer, in short, is yes, but with limitations. When your AirPods are in their case, they are essentially offline. They can't connect to your iPhone via Bluetooth, nor can they send out a Bluetooth signal to other devices. In this case, the Find My app won't be able to track your AirPods. It will only show their last known location when they were connected to your iPhone. However, if your AirPods are out of their case and close enough to a device in the Find My network, the network can detect their signal and relay their location back to you, even if they're not connected to your iPhone. So while you can theoretically find your offline AirPods, remember it depends on your AirPods' Bluetooth being active, them being out of their case, and being near another device in the Find My network. In conclusion, while the Find My app is an incredibly useful tool, its ability to find offline AirPods does have limitations. But don't worry. If you usually keep your AirPods connected to your iPhone and are mindful about where you put them when they're not in use, you're already minimizing the chances of losing them. We hope this guide has been helpful and has answered your questions about the Find My app and offline AirPods. Happy tracking!